Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice bounce. I mean, from where the price was at one point to where it ultimately closed, everyone would agree, good, solid bounce for sure. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that key level is right here at 0.034. Why is 0.034 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, of course, if a bounce is a true bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing. It's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.034. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was when it was flirting with these lows. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. So even after what I would consider a pretty drastic pullback, so even after that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set right there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a true bounce is going to do. It's going to continue to make progress forward as time unfolds, and I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 0.034. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward here, all about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I'm not going to assign a numerical value to that because it's a moving average, so that price is going to change with time. But you can see the last time I got up near it, the price did get smacked back down from it. So yeah, public enemy number one, definitely that purple line if this upwards bounce is going to continue. But no doubt about it, any way you slice it, bulls made a very nice bounce today. So can they build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.